Hello everyone, this is ABD from SharkTwix back with another video, and in this video I will show you guys new hidden features of the Files app on iOS 15. So let's open the Files app. If you tap on here, you will have a user group option. This will basically rearrange all the files and folders to groups like folders, images, music, movies and others. And you can also tap on to show all to get all data in one scroll. You can also select group by kind, date or size. Now on iOS 15, you can convert any photos to PDF. Just haptic touch on photo, then at last select create PDF, and now you have a PDF of the photo. You can also select multiple photos, then tap on three icon here and create a PDF. Now on iOS 15, you can also lock any PDF file with the password. Just open the PDF, tap on share, then you will get this lock PDF option. Then enter the password and verify it. There you have it, a PDF file with a lock. You also have options to edit in PDF file also. Open a PDF file, tap on the page you want to add or edit and then tap on badge icon. You will have here more options like rotate left, rotate right, insert a blank page, and you can also insert a new blank PDF also with signature and shapes. You can also delete any PDF from this. You can also scan images, pages. Just a quick example here, tap on scan PDF, then take the photo, then tap on keep scan and it will be added to the PDF file. So these are some of the new features on Files app on iOS 15, and I think it will be very useful for you. So go ahead and check it out. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.